Hello my friends, so it's been raining all day, so I decided to take my hammock and try my setup, spend the night in the rain, so I guess it's gonna be fun. It's not really cold, but yeah, it's raining. Okay, so as you can see, everything is soaking wet. My shelter is a bit wet inside, but no, it's okay. There's small holes everywhere. And I'm gonna set up my hammock right here and try to spend the night. It's pretty nice being in the rain, because the sound that makes the rain makes you stealthier. I'm not sure of the word, but yeah, even if you make a bit of noise, the wildlife won't hear you as much because of the rain. Not sure if you guys can hear that, all the drops falling. And yeah, just a few hours ago I saw this. Yeah, it was just right here, but not even 10 meters from me, but didn't hear me because of the sound of the rain falling on the leaves and everything. So it's nice. Okay, so I'm gonna set up this now and make fire. Everything's wet, so challenge. I can see the blue sky now, but yeah, it's been raining really all day. Hopefully it's gonna be raining tonight, so I can try my hammock and see if it can withstand the heavy rain. I'm gonna see that. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so I just realized I forgot my tripod, so you're gonna have some GoPro footage and this to hold the camera. We've got some luck now because it's not raining so much, it's more the rain falling from the leaves, but yeah, it's supposed to be raining a lot harder tonight, so we'll see that. Okay guys, so I've seen a few videos about K-bars, so I decided to take mine out. We've got the old leather sheath, and as the coating wasn't so great, because I used it a lot before, even before I was making videos, so yeah, now it looks like this. Handle is very nice, a bit worn, it's a little darker than it used to be, and yeah, the blade is right in that, looking like that now. So just oil it a bit, and I don't even need a patina on it, because when I use it, it's okay. And one nice thing about it, it's got a square edge, square spine, so it's not great, not as effective as my Spyleco, but it works. Oh, you're right about the socks. Yeah, it doesn't look so good, but now with the warm weather, the ticks are out, so if I don't wanna ticks on my legs in an hour, I've got to put some yeah, my socks over my pants. Okay, let's get to work. some wood. Well, it's really rotten. So, this one looks okay. No, it's really rotten. Try to find something else. Yeah, it looks really nice. See, it's still up. It's dead, but standing. That's good too. Okay, so we're gonna take that. What do you think? It's okay. A bit raw, a bit punky, but I'm not gonna use the axe. Just to try my cable. So if it's moving a bit for splitting. Oops. See. Okay, so I'm in the bag. So yeah, there's big mosquitoes out there. Not sure if you guys can see. See? So I'm glad I got the bug net. Okay, so I'm gonna read a bit if I still have some batteries, and then try to sleep. It's about 11 degrees outside, so yeah, I'm gonna be hot and comfy tonight. Okay.